alcohol painting on Katan silk. See, this is a new item which I am showing you. I have shown this on Tasar. Here comes the palla. This is, we call it alcohol painting. It's very much like batik work, but it is painting. See, half sari will be like this. Palla part. This is the palla part. Half sari with this type of painting, and the rest half, this is the rest half. I will show you the dripping view of the sari. All the saris having a blouse piece also. Entire look, all are with silk mark. Price is 5850. 5850. This is the entire look. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Here comes the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Here comes the palla. This portion is for palla. Now this is the body part. In front, you will get this type of stripes for the front part. These all are very unique and all are single piece. So for booking, please take the screenshot or mention the sari number. And the price for all the saris are 5850. This is of rust color. See, you will get half of the sari with this rust color and painting on the lower border. This is the look. I will show you all the saris because I am showing you very few saris. So, see, showing you the saris with a dripping view so that you can easily understand. Here comes the blouse piece. This is a new item, so it will take time to make you understand regarding this. This is the entire look. Sari number 2, all are Katan silk. Here comes the palla. Moving to the next one. Another very pretty color combination. This is also half and half. This, see, from palla, half sari will be like this. This is the half portion. From palla, half portion will be with the pink color, onion pink color. Then here comes this type of stripes. These all are alcohol painting on Katan silk. This is the pleats portion with the stripes. Then again that onion pink color at the beginning of the sari. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number. Price for all these saris are 5850. Just see, this is the dripping view of the sari. This is the dripping view of the sari. This is the dripping view of the sari. Price will be 5850 with free shipping. Booking number is 9330866384. For any query, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me. You can pay through, this is with the border, both side border. The color is mauve color with both side border, and this portion we call it alcohol painting. It looks like batik work, but it is alcohol painting. So the price of this sari is also 5850. These all are Katan silk material. And for booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Just see, this is the entire look of the sari. Entire look. This is the entire look of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot. Now here comes another very pretty color. Very pretty color. See, these all are festive collection. Colorful, bright, and some new items. This is the, but all are creative item. These are, this is sari number 4, I think. This is for sari number 4. Half sari will be like this. This is the, oh, maybe 5. This is sari number 5. This sari is of different type. See, half sari will be with this, and the rest half, see the color, it's so beautiful. It's a green color, but see the color combination. Half sari with the border, we call it alcohol painting. These are very pretty one. See, and here comes the blouse piece. I will show you the draping view. This is the draping view of the sari. Price is 5850. Price of these saris are 5850. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all of you to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Moving to the next one. 6. This is sari number 6. Another pretty one. And I repeat, these all are single piece. So if you want to book the sari, do it on time, so that because pre-booking cannot be taken for all these saris. See, half will be like this with this type of stripes and both side border, and the rest half, see the color, it's beautiful one, beautiful one. See the color. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. These all are pure Katan silk, Bishnupur Katan silk with silk mark, and the price is 5850. Here comes the blouse piece. Enter view of the sari. This is the enter view of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. For booking, take the screenshot. Price is 5850. All the silk are with silk mark certification. Now, another one. Here comes the palla part. It's a combination of grey, and there are so many colors. It's difficult to explain, but I will show you. Palla part. This portion is for palla. Now in the front part, the stripes will come. Multicolor stripes will come for the front part, and then half of the sari is of grey color. I will show you the draping view. It will be easier for you to understand the draping with the draping view about the sari. Price is 5850. This is the blouse piece. Enter view of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Mention the sari number. This is the entire look. Price is 5850 for all the saris. Requesting all of you to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. This is another one. See, from the palla, this design will go. I will show you the draping view also. This is black color, black with this type of painting. Then comes the stripes for the pleats. The stripes portion is for the pleats, and then this is for the front part, for the inner part of the sari, for the beginning of the sari. Blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. This is the draping view of the sari, entire draping view of the sari. Price same, 5850. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is another rust color. For this sari, the palla is broad palla. Then comes the body part. It is of rust color. You will get no warp, only the border for the entire sari. and here is the blouse piece, but it is very unique one. I will show you the draping view which make you understand the sari. This is the entire view of the sari. Just check the entire view of the sari. Price same, 5850. 5850. This is sari number 9. Moving to the next one, sari number 10. This one, palla part. This is the palla part. This portion is for palla. See the color combination. There are various colors which makes the sari very unique. Here comes the front part. In the front you will get this type of stripes, multicolor, light, but these all are very eye-soothing colors for the front part. Then comes the chocolate color for the body, and the border is again with the painting. This is chocolate color. Sari number 10. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 10. Here comes the blouse piece, and now see, this is the entire view of the sari. Entire view of the sari. Price is same, 5850. Booking number 9330866384.